दोस्तों कुछ करके दिखाओ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके जैसा। Welcome back guys to my session. I am Debajyoti Mitra once more with a lot of love and happiness for you. I think everyone is fit and fine. So a very happy Diwali to all of you and your family in advance. So first of all, I would like to give a special thanks and warm welcome to all of you for that massive and immense support on me so that I am able to continue my session. Okay, so it is immense for me and I literally much more grateful to the omnipotent for that supportive attitude towards me, and if it might be quite helpful for my own society, for my nation, then it would be that scintillating experience for me, and that's for sure guys. Okay, without delaying any more time, let's get straight for what I have made myself visible to all of you by this video. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk and share some of my opinion to all of you regarding such a topic which is much more important in everyone's life, and 90% of the people throughout the world are suffering from this problem, and I have come to eradicate this particular problem from everyone's life. So far I will try to the best of my ability. So the topic is called depression. Yes, you heard the right thing, depression. So how to overcome from depression, this is the sole purpose of mine. That's why I have come to resolve it. So far I will try to do so. First of all, we have to know and understand by realization that is depression a disease or a state of mind? This is the thing. If anyone asks me that, Debajyoti, what do you think? That depression is a disease or a state of mind? Then I'll reply without thinking anything else that yes, it's not a disease, it's just a state of mind, and I can prove it. Okay? Did you get that? So, first of all, let me mention something what makes us feel that we are in depression. While actually we are not. Actually, it depends on our own perspective, own thinking, our own conscience and consideration. If we consider due to some things that now we are in depression, we are depressed much more, we can't participate in any sort of social activities right now, I want to live alone. This is your own consideration, man, nothing else. So let me mention some things what make us feel that we are in depression. Okay, so first thing that the first reason behind our depression, like it might be of losing someone special from your life. Secondly, it might be for the death of someone in your own family. Thirdly, it might be for your social, your economical, your financial condition and status in your family, like lacking of liquidity. It also might be for not getting success for so long in spite of doing much more hard work, in spite of giving much more effort. It also might be for not getting respect from any particular platform what you exactly deserve. There are many more things to be depressed. Means not to be depressed, but to be make you feel that you are depressed. So, and yes, one more thing is that the major amount of people think that they are depressed because of their incomplete relationship. Majority of the cases have been found like that before entering in a relationship with someone else, one person were perfect fully, but after going through on any relationship with someone else, even passing some days, some months, some years, they start feeling depressed. Why? So if you ask those person who have experienced, they can give you the reply. Even I also can guess something. So let me explain it. I think, that's my assumption, that majority of the people get depressed in relationship because of not getting respect, because of not getting care as they are supposed to get, as they think that they should get respect, care, adore from their partner, but actually they are not getting. That's why they feel depressed. And not only one thing, there are thousands, tons, millions, billions reasons behind it. I am saying regarding all of the things, all of the reasons who are suffering. But the normal resolution, what I think, I am trying to make all of you understand that let all the things be, just think about your own happiness, because only then you can be able to make someone happy. When you will be happy, you will be perfect. If you really love someone else, then don't try to make him or her happy. Try to make yourself happy. From your that happiness, your partner will be happy. If your partner undoubtedly loves you much more, only then it will be. If your love is not intimate, then I think you can find something exceptional from my discussion, might be. But even then, सच्चे मन से चाहने वाला आशिकों के लिए एक बात मेरा तरफ से आप सब लोगों को, कि खुश रहो, अपने आप को खुश, हाउ टू बी हैप्पी, अपने आप खुश रहो, ओनली देन यू विल हैव हैप्पीनेस, एंड फ्रॉम यू दैट हैप्पीनेस आपकी जो लाइफ पार्टनर है वो भी खुश हो जाएगा और हो जाएगी आपकी खुश देखने से। आपको खुश होना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। सो दिस इज अ थिंग, एंड वन मोर थिंग इज दैट वी ऑल्सो हैव टू नो द सिम्टम्स so that you can be able to recognize by observing anyone else that he is in depression or not, whether he is in depression or not. If someone is in depression, if someone feel depressed, then this particular person will not participate in any sort of social activities as they used to do earlier before going through depression. This particular person will choose sleep for some time or for so long. This particular person will not be interested in any sort of thing. This particular person will prefer living alone without any meeting, without any hindrance, without any inconvenience. They will find peace. They will not try to interact with anyone else. This is a thing. This is the symptoms. Through what you can be able to find out, or you can be able to understand that he is in depression. And another reason behind this thought, this feeling that we are in depression or we are depressed is that negativity. Wherever you try to look, you are around your surroundings, you will find only negativities. A lot of negativities will be found by you, and that's for sure, guys. Like, your examination is just knocking at the door. That means, I mean to say that your examination is just going to be conducted on the next month, and you are studying hard. But even though, in spite of studying hard, one thing will hammer on your mind, one thing will pinch on your mind, that what would be if I will not be able to make a good result? What my parents will think of me? What people will think of me? What I will do if I will not? Another reason is that suppose you are going to join an interview tomorrow. Now, you are taking preparations in various aspects, but even then, one thing will be in your mind, that what would be if I will fail? What would the people will think of me if I will fail in the interview? But why we don't try to think that what would be if I will be able to make a good result in examination? What would be if I will be able to get this job for what I have gone in this interview. What would whole world think of me if I will achieve all the things? If I will be successful, then what will the whole world will think of me? Why we don't try to think it, guys? If you ask people that give me some suggestions, recommendations, I am not feeling well, nothing is going well with me. Okay, people may give you some suggestions, recommendations, but it will not work until you try to make yourself overcome from this particular inconvenience. You have to try to overcome by your own self. No one will be there to help you. You have to do by your own self. You have to fight with the lone battles of your own life. Get straightforward. Have strength on your mind that yes, I can do. No one can be able to stop me from getting the achievements of my life for what I have been made by the omnipotent. That's it. आगे चलो. Strength लो जिंदगी पे कुछ भी हो जाए. I will give focus on my ambition and that's it. अपने आप को believe करो. Believe that yes, I can do something else, and this is the only resolution. If you don't do so, then I'm sorry, handsome. Then I'm sorry. It can't be influenced in your life. Change your thoughts, mentality, and go straight by thinking about only and only your own happiness. If you can remain happy, then everyone of the world will be happy following you. That's why as usual I do that कुछ करके दिखाओ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके जैसा. Convince करो people को, convince the people to follow you, to follow your own lifestyle. This is the thing. Then you might not be depressed. So this is all about my discussion, guys. I am Debojyoti Mitra signing up for now until we meet again. Till then, stay well, blessed, have a nice future, and again happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.